Hi everyone, hope you're all doing good. So hope you're all having a good time in this festival season. So as usual, I'm back with a new video here, and in this particular video we are going to discuss about using the daily time frame. So we are going to discuss about why you should use the daily time frame, and we'll also talk about the major benefits of using the daily time frame. So most of the traders often ask me one of the most important questions, that is, which time frame should I choose? So whether you are a beginner or whether you are an experienced trader, whatever I'm going to discuss in this particular video is going to be very helpful. So make sure to watch the video till the end, and kindly hit on the subscribe button and tap on the notification icon so that you can receive more insightful contents and more insightful trading lessons just like these whenever I release it on my feed. And without wasting any further time, let us get into the topic. So for those of you who are actually a beginner, let us start by understanding what exactly is a daily time frame. So when I say daily time frame, you can see this particular time frame window exactly over here. In this particular time interval window, you have something called as 1-day chart. Alright, so when I click on 1-day chart and when I see the chart over here, you can see this looks like usual candlestick chart, but the only difference is each of these candle is going to be taking place after 1 day. Alright, so that is whenever the market starts in the morning and whenever the market ends in the evening, throughout the day we will be seeing only one single candle. Alright, so that is what we call as 1-day time frame or 1-day chart. So one of the most interesting thing is whenever I say there will be only one candle throughout the day, most of the traders often get a little frustrated. They often tell me that it's very boring to trade the daily chart. I do understand their point of view. It is a little boring. At the same time, you need to have a lot of patience when you're trading the daily time frame or 1-day chart. But keep in mind, when you are trading in the market, patience is what makes you money. Alright, if you want to be a successful trader, if you want to make good and consistent profits in the market, you need to be patient a lot. Patience is the name of the game. So when you want to trade daily chart, you need to have a lot of patience, but that particular patience is going to pay you off. So I'm saying this from my 12 years of trading experience. Alright, so being said that, let us talk about 3 major benefits of trading in daily time frame. So one of the most important benefit that you will get from trading the daily chart is clarity. So say for example, when I'm looking at this particular chart, so you can see the chart over here. This is 1-day chart of S&P 500. So if you look at this particular chart over here, you can get a kind of a clarity in the market, right? Say for example, you can see that the prices were actually in an uptrend since from this point to this particular point, right? Let me mark it out. So we can see an uptrend, and I have exactly marked the starting point of the uptrend exactly from here to here. So after the uptrend, we can also notice a sudden change in the structure, right? Quickly you can see whatever uptrend was there exactly from this period to this period, that uptrend quickly got changed in the market, isn't it? So we can see exact structure change over here. So right after the structure change, we can also notice that the sellers started entering into the market and more selling pressure is actually taking place on the prices, right? So if you look at the sell-off exactly on this period, and if you compare the sell-off to this particular period, you can see that the downswings have gotten a little larger, isn't it? So this type of clarity in reading the price action is something that we will get only in 1-day chart. If you go to lower time frame like 5 minutes, 15 minutes, etc., you won't get this kind of clarity on the market. So clarity is one of the major benefits of trading in daily time frame. So the second most major benefit of trading in daily time frame comes from getting the complete picture of price action. Alright, so let me show you an example using the chart of Nifty 50 over here. So right now I'm looking at Nifty 50 1-day chart, and if you look at this particular price action over here, you can see that this particular price action has been changing a lot of structures, right? Say for example, from this point to this point, it was in an uptrend, and again from here to here, it was more or less like a downtrend. And now after a downtrend, we are once again seeing some kind of a beginning stage of an uptrend, right? So here, as you can notice, I have made a proper proper division using the vertical lines. So as you can see, since from the beginning stage we can see a kind of an uptrend, and right after that we can see a kind of a downtrend, and now once again we are seeing the starting stage of the uptrend, right? So when you look at the one-day chart, you can clearly notice that the price action is changing the structures, right? The price action is consistently changing the behavior. And when you look at the one-day chart, this is a kind of a complete picture which we can get with the help of clarity, right? Apart from getting the clarity, you will also get a complete picture of price action. You will understand what was the previous structure, and you will also understand what is the current market structure, and you will also be able to understand what is the kind of a stage which we are experiencing right now. So what kind of market stage are we seeing in the market right now, right? So this is the second most major benefit of using the daily time frame. All right, so here is the third benefit of trading in daily time frame. So the third most important benefit is that you'll be able to spot the big money swings. All right, you'll be able to track the footprints of big players. You'll be able to see the impact of big orders on the price action. So whenever the large orders enter into the market, those large orders can create some strong price swings on the chart. So those type of price swings we can see only on one-day chart. All right, so let me show you some example. And right now I'm actually looking at one-day time frame of Tata Steel. So if you look at this particular chart over here, you can notice some strong price swings, right? So for example, we can see a strong price swing over here, exactly from this point to this point. And we can also see some strong price swing from this point to this particular point. And over here also I can see some strong price swing. So let me mark these price swings. So as you can see the markers over here, so from point A to point B, exactly on the left side of the chart, we can see a strong upswing, and this particular upswing usually indicates some big buy orders coming into the market. And likewise, exactly on the right edge of the chart, you can also see some strong downswing which indicates big sell orders coming into the market. And likewise, once again we can see some big sell orders coming into the market, right? So when you use daily chart, you can clearly notice these big price swings, and these big price swings tells us which direction the big players are actually engaging in the market. All right, so this is another important and major benefit of using the daily time frame. All right, so here is a summary of what we have learned so far. So first of all, when you're trading the daily time frame, you need to have some patience, but money is in patience. If you're a patient trader, you can definitely make a lot of money in the markets. There is no doubt, and we have seen a lot of examples of successful traders who have made a lot of money with patience. So, and the most important benefit is when you're using daily time frame, we will get a lot of clarity to trade, right? You will get some good clarity to take your trading decisions. And when you're using daily time frame, we will also get a good understanding of the big picture. We can understand who's dominating the market and how the structures are changing, and we can take our decisions with big picture. And fourth most important point is when you're using daily time frame, you can spot the activity of big money players or big money swings. So if you're an actual trader, and if you're a full-time trader, or even if you're a part-time trader, you should use daily chart to your benefits. And I hope you like this particular video. So if you have any questions or any doubts regarding to the topic which we have discussed so far, I recommend you to leave that question on the comment section below. I will try to answer it. And if you like this video, kindly click on the like button. If you like to know more about me, more about my trading style, visit my website, that is www.tradingcoach.co.in. And finally, thanks a lot for watching. We will catch up in the next video.